there's a bird and a squirrel kind of fussing at each other. And that bird has attacked that squirrel a few times. Hey, good morning everybody. This is Kelly from J&KPotter. And today I am going to be making some brown sugar glazed beets. And I can't wait. I'm going to go ahead and read you how I do it, and then I'll get busy on it. So brown sugar candied beets takes 3 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 3 cups of steamed cube beets. Cut them any way that you like them. Now you want to go ahead and get your beets steamed first before you start the recipe. In a large non-stick skillet, combine the brown sugar, the orange juice, the butter, and the salt and pepper. Cook over a medium heat until the sugar and the butter are melted. So when it starts to bubble, that's when you want to stir in the already steamed beet. Cook until most of the liquid has evaporated and the beets are covered and glazed really good. Should take you between 6 and 8 minutes to do that part. And then you just serve it up. You can serve it up warm or you can serve it up cold. So I hope that you try this recipe because it sounds so good. Okay, well it's been a few days and so I'm just now getting back around to taking care of my beets. So, and I got a couple of carrots in there too. So I'm going to be taking off the stems and the roots, and I'm going to be putting them in boiling water. I'm not going to steam them. Okay, so get these soaking a little bit and wash up all the mud. Okay, now that I've got them cleaned up, I'm going to get them in this pan. And like I said, I'm going to boil it instead of steaming or roasting them. Now once I boil these, the skins will come off real easy. Okay, so next I'm going to dice these up how I like them. Okay, now it's time to get the ingredients in the skillet. And I have 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. It's light. It's supposed to be dark, but I don't have any dark. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper, and 1 tablespoon of butter. So get that all in there. And 2 tablespoons of orange juice. And get this to melt. And then we're just going to wait on it to bubble up before we put our beets in there. Just want to get all that sugar dissolved. We've got complete bubble all over, so now I'm going to put in the 3 cups of beets. And then we're supposed to stir this around just until the liquid has all dissolved. And that all the beets are going to be coated. It could take up to 8 minutes, but we'll see. Okay, you guys, it's probably been about, excuse me, 8 minutes. And I still have a little bit of liquid in there, a little bit of syrup. But since I'm not actually going to be serving this today, I'm going to put it in a quart jar and put it in my refrigerator and snack on it throughout the week. And that leaves me just a little bit to eat today. I'm a happy person. You guys, go out and enjoy life. I hope you try this recipe because it's really, really good. Hey everybody, Kelly here from J&KPotter. I have got to show you my red sunflower because it bloomed. Isn't that so beautiful? Now, you can't see the driveway at the neighbor's house. Rushing out the backyard.